If you'd like to move icons around on your home page, press and hold on any one icon, ignore the bit that flashes up there, and wait until everything starts doing this little shimmering dance there. And then you can do a variety of things. One is you can simply move things around, and you'll see other things shift to get out of the way, so it'll maintain its nice grid-like appearance, right? And if that's all you wanted to do, you could press any blank area and you would be done, right? But there's a bit more that we can do. So let's go press and hold again, like so. And then say if you wanted to actually delete something from your app bar here, like say this fourth icon here, if I just tap the little X in the upper left-hand corner, then it will ask for a confirmation. Do you want to delete this app, right? And we can go ahead and delete that, right? So, and also if you have things like I have Kindle here on the app bar, if I don't want it there, I can just pull it up and move it to the main screen, right? And then say if I prefer books over Kindle, and I can pull that down and it'll squeeze in between two other icons. So I'm pressing, dragging, and then dropping, and then that can go there. And you'll notice that some icons have the little X in the corner and some don't. The ones that don't can't be deleted, right? These apps are part of iOS itself. They're a permanent feature. You can move them around, but you can't delete them. So say we have the clock here, second row from the left and second row from the top. What if I don't want that on this first screen? We have the different screens. I can swipe to the right and to the left to move between screens. If I want this on the other screen, I can press and hold on it, and I can drag it over to the edge of the screen, and the next screen over will come into view, and then I can drop it in place there. I can then move back here, and you'll see on the app bar there's a vertical line. There's the icons to the left have the little X, and the icons to the right have the little minus. So say we have Chrome there on the far right. I can move that to the left of the line, and it will be more permanently on the app bar, because the things to the right are like recently used apps, right? So if I want this to be a more permanent feature here, I can pull it over to the left and drop it there. And then say we have maps and this mirroring app here, which are on the right of the line. And instead of having an X, they just have a minus. And the minus means remove it from the app bar, but don't delete it from the iPad or your iPhone, right? So we can hit the little minus sign and those icons will disappear. The apps will still be available, right? Like here is the third app on the bottom from the left is what was down there a short moment ago. So the app still exists. It's just not in the recently used app any longer, right? And once again, when you're done, you can just press any blank space between icons, etc., and everything will stop shimmering, settle down in the way that you set it up. So, in this way, you can move between your pages and just reorder things. Like say we have a third page here, I can press and hold till everything's shimmering there, and then I can just drag these four icons to the second screen. So I don't really need three screens, right? There's no point in my having to navigate between the three when everything will fit nicely on two. So I can just get that organized, and I have the blanks here that I don't have to worry about, but now I can just go right, left, right, and see everything, right? Again, press on any blank space and you're done.